wasn't actually thinking of coming to Fisher. I happened to be in the area one day and then my parents told me Fisher was having an open house. Obviously ended up being the place I called home, and it's been exactly that since the first day I got here. I play the viola, which is something that not a lot of people know what it is. They see it and they think it's a violin, but it is slightly different. One of the first days of orientation at Fisher, I went on a little tour through the chapel, and Sarah looks at me and she was like, "Do you play an instrument?" And I was like, "Yeah," and I play the viola, and she's like, "You're seeing me after this." And I was like, okay. So I was super excited because I knew I wanted to continue my love of music, and it was a great way. I love going to church every week, and it was a great way to help me get more involved in church and help me learn more about music in general. For me, service has always been really important. With the Giving Tree, we worked with a bunch of organizations in the Rochester community, children's organizations, adults, kind of just seeing what they needed and how we could specifically get necessities for them. One of my other favorite memories was I was able to go on the service trip last year to Houston. Being able to help people in a different community was a great opportunity for me and something that I really enjoyed. Along with campus ministry, I'm a part of the Teddi Dance for Love committee, as well as I'm also a member of the Fisher Dance Club, and both of those have allowed me the opportunities to continue dancing. Obviously the Teddi Dance for Love, we do a 24-hour dance-a-thon, and it's obviously very tiring, but it's a ton of fun just being there with your friends for 24 hours and knowing that you're helping kids with cancer, that when they come in and you see the smile on their faces for everything that you've been working for all year long, it's just great to see. Fisher has helped me understand that I am more than just what my grades are. I'm more than who I think I am, but also how I portray myself, how I carry myself.